CVLIFE has this awesome set of levels for your scope. This makes it super easy because they are magnetic, very strong magnet. You can see just how quickly they will join together. So what I do is I'll put one on the scope itself on the top. Usually there's an adjustment knob and I'll put it right on top of there because it's the very top. And then the other you can put right onto the rail of your gun. This way you're on another flat level surface. And then this way, as you are adjusting your scope, you're able to make sure that both are going to be lined up. You want to make sure that first the gun itself is in a level position. You have nice clear lines with a nice clear bubble right there with the kind of green liquid in there. And then as you are adjusting, tightening or loosening your scope, you want to make sure that then you get that nice and level there too. And once they are both level and you got a little air bubble right between the two lines, then you know that you've got your scope properly leveled and zeroed in on your gun, on the barrel. Again, nice strong magnets. They really do come in handy when you are leveling, because otherwise, you'd have to attach it another way, but the magnet makes it super easy. It's a very strong magnet. This whole area is magnetic. So however big or small the scope or the rail of your gun is, you can use either one to have it this way or that way. And again, super easy to use. So highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing this for me.